In this video, I want to show you how to calculate leaf area index from Landsat images. In the previous video, I've explained what is leaf area index, its importance, and different methods of measuring it. However, in this video, I want to show you how to calculate leaf area index from Landsat images. And to calculate leaf area index from Landsat images, this is the formula. The leaf area index is equal to 1 over k multiplied by in open brackets 1 all over 1 minus NDVI, where LAI is leaf area index and NDVI stand for Normalized Difference Vegetation Index, and K, which is for Capac, is a coefficient that depends on the vegetation type and often is set to a value around 0.5. So we are going to take it as 0.5 in this calculation. For normalized different vegetation index, the formula is near infrared minus red, all divided by near infrared plus red. So if you are using Landsat 4 to 7, this is the formula. And if you are using Landsat 8 to 9, this is the formula. In this exercise, we want to use Landsat 8. So we are going to use band 5 and band 4. So let's get started. So if I open my QGIS, you can use any of your GIS software you prefer. So in my folder, I have Landsat 8 band. I have band 4 and 5. So let's load it in QGIS. To do that, click on Add Raster Layer. So this is it, band 5 and band 4. I'll click on Open. Yes, here I have my band 5 and band 4 of Landsat 8 image. To calculate the leaf area index, we need to first calculate for normalized different vegetation index. And to do that, I've shown you in the formula that is going to be band 5 minus band 4 all over band 5 plus band 4. So let's quickly do that. To do the calculation, come to raster and click on raster calculator. This will open this raster calculator page. Then put your console at this raster calculator expression and remember the formula. So open brackets band 5 minus band 4, close the brackets, divided by open brackets band 5 plus band 4, close the brackets. So specify the outputs. Let's save our output in this folder and let's call it NDVI. So click on Save and click on OK. So in few seconds, it's going to calculate for our NDVI. Yes, our NDVI is calculated. So we can uncheck this and uncheck this. Yes, this is our NDVI. Now, to calculate for the leaf area index, let's go back to our formula. To calculate our leaf area index is going to be 1 over k multiplied by in of 1 all over 1 minus NDVI. And recall that our k, we are taking it as 0.5. So let's go to QGIS to do the calculation. To calculate the LAI, come to raster. Click on raster calculator. Then put your console here and input the formula. And the formula is 1 divided by k, and our k is 0.5, multiplied by in, open brackets, 1 divided by 1 minus NDVI. This is our NDVI. Close the brackets and finally close the brackets. Then specify your output. Click here to specify your output. Let's save in the same working folder. So let's save it as LAI and click on save. Then you can verify here the expression is valid. If there is error in the expression, the algorithm is likely to notify you. Then click on OK. Yes, this is our LAI. Then we can import this to ArcGIS for further analysis if you wish to. So to do that, open ArcGIS, click on Add. Let's navigate to our working folder and load in our LAI. Then click on Add. So it's calculating the pyramid for the raster. Yes, it is done. This is our LAI. However, notice something here. I want to point out something here. Look at the value in ArcGIS. It ranges from minus 1.2 to 0.52. If you look at the value in QGIS, you can see the value is negative. This is because in QGIS, when you load in raster, it usually load in or display the average value. So you need to tell the QGIS to display the minimum and the maximum. So to do that, right click here and come to properties. So come to load minimum and maximum values. So here by default it loads cumulative counts. So you need to signify that it should load minimum and maximum. Once I click here, take note of the value here. By the time I click on load, it will load the correct minimum and maximum value. You can see the value has changed. So this is the correct value. Click on apply and click on OK. So this is our real LAI, and you can see the real value here, which is also the same as the one in ArcGIS. So take note of that if you are working in QGIS. You can change the color ramp here by clicking here and choose any color of your choice. You can invert it and click on OK. Furthermore, you can change the symbology. Right click and come to properties. Then instead of strange, click on classified and click on yes. Then we can choose 5 classes. Let's choose any color of our choice. Let's say this, and you can format the labeling. Right click here and click on format labels. So let's choose 2 decimal places and click on OK. Click OK. This is our leaf area index, and you can take this to layout to produce the final map. I can just use already made templates by clicking here and choose landscape. Click on finish. Yes, then I can click on file, click on page and print setup to change the orientation. I want landscape and click on OK. Yes, you can see my map. So I can just quickly edit it by right clicking and come to properties. So come to grids. I'll click on properties. I'll change the interval to, let's say, 1 degree. And click on OK. And click on OK. Yes, this is my leaf area index. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any other tutorial you want us to do video on, kindly let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.